Andrea's Jazz Cafe in Coatesville, Pennsylvania reached out to One Mo Studio with a live broadcasting project. They host incredible live shows, but they have very limited seating capacity. They needed a live broadcast system to expand their audience without losing the intimate vibe of the room. I met with Bridget and Dennis from Andrea's Cafe at Melody Vision in Plymouth Meeting, PA, to demo a PTZOptics live broadcasting system. They were impressed with the setup and decided to move forward. We installed a similar system, 3 PTZOptics Move 4K cameras, and a SuperJoy controller. Jazz clubs are notoriously atmospheric. These cameras provide the incredible low light performance and dynamic range that are absolutely essential for this space. The workflow is entirely IP-based. We used NDI, routed right through vMix for professional level switching, recording, and streaming. But we're really just getting started. Phase 2 of the installation involves integrating PTZOptics High. This will move our studio class control into a unified browser-based management layer for even greater scalability. We're also preparing to implement visual reasoning. The system will be able to autonomously identify soloists and optimize for framing in real time based on the energy of the performance. From remote control today to autonomous production tomorrow. This is the future of live jazz, powered by PTZOptics.